Well, Happy New Year, everybody. I just thought I'd do a quick video here of what it looked like last year at this time, because it's quite a difference. This is what my yard looks like last year at this time. And this is what my yard looks like right now, which looks kind of like spring. So, winter hasn't really started here yet, but hopefully it'll come soon, because I like having a bit of snow, do some snowmobiling and snow plowing and stuff. But anyways, here's a quick video of me shoving back the snowbanks that we had this time of year because we ran out of places to even push the snow. So enjoy. Well, it's hovering right around 0 here. I plugged the old girl in for about half hour. Let's hit the key and see if she starts. Uh-oh. Amperage gauge is jumping around. We may have a froze starter. Let's take a look. Okay, around here at the starter. She's a little bit snowy. Shouldn't hurt. Let's take the old persuader, see if we can't loosen it up. If that persuaded anything. We may have to try something different. Let's see if we can't warm it up a little bit, see if that helps anything. As long as we don't melt the wires off of it, we should be alright. Oh, some pine needles, get off there. Well, I'm going to stay at this for a few minutes and we'll see what happens. Well, I've been at it for a few minutes here. Let's maybe give it another little tappa and touch the starter. Put the torch off. Lighten things up. Well, let's see if she pops off. Oh, nice. Now fire up. Bit of heat and a little tap in the right place. All right, I'll let that warm up for a few minutes, then we'll go and move some snowbanks. Well, there it is. Quick video from a year ago this month. Hopefully we get some snow here this year soon, but hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.